Hi, my name is Norman. When I first tested this strategy, I just wanted to test the idea. But after a couple of hours, I realized that it doesn't just work, it really gives results. I made over $5,000 in this video today, and now I'm going to show you how it all happened. Step by step, from setup to real-time trades. I will be grateful for subscribing to the channel and liking the video. My name is Norman. I'm starting.
First of all, let's get the tools ready for work. I put classic candlesticks. The time frame is 30 seconds. Go to the Indicators tab and select Momentum and RSI. Setting up momentum. We do not touch the period. In the Style settings, go to the Mainline settings. Select the Shape Type line. Width 2. Opacity, move to the right. We make the up line turquoise in color. Saving. Setting up the RSI. Period, we set 10. Switching to the Style. Disconnect lines 70 and 30. The main line is turquoise in color, width 2. We make line 50 white, width 2. Move opacity to the right. Saving. The indicators are ready to work. Friend, if you have any questions after watching the video, then be sure to write to me in private messages in the Telegram, and I will be happy to help you. The trading day starts actively. Expiration is 1 minute. I open a trade for sale for $1,000. Now I will explain in detail how this strategy works and how to use its signals correctly to analyze the market. The first step is to pay attention to momentum when its turquoise line crosses the thin midline from top to bottom. This is the first signal indicating a change in trend direction. This moment indicates that the upward movement is losing strength and sellers are beginning to seize the initiative. This is an early warning about a possible reversal and the formation of a downward momentum. Further confirmation comes from the RSI. Its turquoise line repeats a similar movement. It crosses the middle line from top to bottom. This is the second, more reliable confirmation of the reversal, showing that the market is indeed shifting energy towards sellers. A good start is to make a profit of $920. The movement is clear to read. The mood is confident.
If you want to receive daily analytics, real trading ideas, and see live examples of deals, visit my free Telegram channel. Here we analyze the market together and share our experience. If something is not clear from the video, write to me and I will help you figure it out. Link to the channel in the description. Join the community. In Telegram, you will find practical tips and fresh insights that will help you move more confidently in trading. After a few minutes, a new signal appears. Expiration is 1 minute. I open a trade for sale at $1,900. The market is trying to maintain an upward movement, but the strength of buyers is noticeably weakening after prolonged growth. The upward momentum loses stability, the candlesticks become shorter, and the dynamics gradually enter the attenuation phase. A slowdown is clearly visible on the charts. This is the first signal that the trend is ready to change direction. Gradually, a downward movement begins to prevail. Sellers increase the pressure. The chart structure becomes clearer and more logical. Candlesticks line up sequentially downwards, forming a stable reversal formation. This market behavior indicates a natural phase change, from saturated growth to correction and subsequent decline. Everything suggests that a new downward trend is forming, which can develop into a confident and stable movement. Another $1,748 profit is an excellent pace. The balance is growing calmly and consistently.
The following situation. With an expiration of 1 minute, I open a trade to buy for $800. The chart clearly shows a sideways movement. The market seemed to take a short break after the previous activity. Candlesticks are moving in a narrow range, gradually approaching the upper boundary of consolidation. This is the moment when tension builds up and the market prepares for a powerful impulse. Now, it is especially important to observe the behavior of candlesticks at the upper limit. They are becoming denser and forming a clear upward rhythm, a clear sign that buyers are increasing the pressure. If there is a breakdown of this zone, the upward movement will be well developed, and the price is highly likely to continue to rise for a long time. This situation looks promising. A breakdown of the range against the background of a compressed sideways movement often becomes the starting point of a strong uptrend. Therefore, the probability of successful trade development here is really very high. The result is a plus of $736. Balance adds up, and confidence only strengthens. The final situation of the day looks confident. The timer is 1 minute. I open a trade to buy for $2,000. After a short-term decline, the market confidently finds its footing and demonstrates a clear upward turn. Candlesticks become longer. The movement becomes directional and smooth, which indicates the restoration of the upward momentum. Buyers are actively returning to the market, and the chart is once again beginning to form a stable upward structure. This behavior is typical for a strong trend, when corrections serve only as a temporary respite before continuing growth. After recovery, the price confidently holds above local levels, confirming the stability of the direction. Globally, the movement structure remains upward. The market remains strong, the momentum looks clean and consistent, and the upward trend continues to develop. I finished the day effectively with another $1,840 profit. The balance reaches $8,084. Let's summarize the results.
Good session. My balance has increased from $2,840 to $8,084. If you have any questions about the methodology itself or would like to understand more deeply, do not hesitate to write to me in Telegram. I'll be happy to help. Thank you so much for watching, for liking, and for subscribing to the channel. See you soon and have a successful trade.